what's up? Welcome to Team Sleepyhead. I am Sarina. Today I have someone different here. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay.
Hello.
As you
Good evening.
as you read by the title, today we are going to play Never Have I Ever. So I have prepared the Never Have I Ever questions here, and because of low budget, we are going to use these papers. We are going to use these papers. We are going to use these papers because of low budget. We changed the lighting. Now it's showing. Okay, so let's get into the video. The first question is, I've written the questions here. The first question is, never have I ever shoplifted, means stolen anything from a store. Never.
Never.
Okay.
Never have I stolen.
Okay. Never have I ever been electrocuted.
What is it?
Current shock. Current shock. I have. I have. Explain, when did you have?
Long time ago.
When?
2 to 3 years or maybe 5 years ago.
Okay. 2 to 3 years ago. Never have I ever broken a bone. So your broken hand. Both the fingers are crooked. If you have not seen Golmaal, go and see. It is the same problem here. Okay. Never have I ever dined and dashed. Means eaten and left the restaurant without paying money. Never. We don't cheat. We are good people. We don't cheat. Never have I ever ruined someone's vacation. I have. Never have I ever been caught while cheating in an exam. I have.
While cheating.
In an exam. I have.
I have cheated, but I have never caught. I have cheated.
You cheated? Which exam? I
All
thought
the exams.
all the exams. Seriously?
Yes.
That's why you passed.
I have cheated in board exams also. Class 12, class 2. St. Michael's School.
Don't mention. This is YouTube. Don't mention. This is YouTube.
Openly cheated.
They openly opened the book and cheated.
Yes.
And we don't have that facility. Very bad. Okay. Never have I ever had a paranormal experience. I have. In boarding. Never? ভূত দেখিসনি কোনোদিন? মানে কোনো এক্সপিরিয়েন্স হয়নি, কোনো ফিলিং, সামথিং,
Nothing. No booth.
something is doing ঝিন 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 ঝিন, something. Seriously? এখানে কত দেখেছি? Okay. Never have I ever tried to cut my own hair. I have cut my own hair. This whole lockdown I have cut my own hair. Never.
কি করবো? No hair.
আমি কেটেছি পুরো এই লকডাউন, আমি নিজের চুল কেটেছি। ইস দেখো gender equality. Never have I ever purposely given someone my wrong phone number.
No.
I have, if I don't want someone to call me.
Never.
I have, if I don't want someone to call me. Never have I ever drank milk directly from the cartoon.
Yes, I have. I always do. And I love.
Okay, control. He loves milk. Every time he will drink from the cartoon only. I have also, little bit, not much. Never have I ever prank called a restaurant. I have. Sneha, if you're watching this video, we both have. You know the incident? We called KFC and asked for McDonald's phone number. Very good, na? We should try it. Okay. Peter got what? I've called anyone. Prank call. Whom? ওখানে ট্রাই করতে হবে. We have to go to Peter Cat and prank call. Okay. Never have I ever stayed awake whole night.
I have.
Duh. New generation. Duh.
I have.
I have. For what reason?
But I can't specify the reason.
Okay. I can't specify the reason. Sorry. Okay. Never have I ever stole something from a hotel or restaurant. Always. Mouth fresheners after.
Me too.
Me too.
Yes.
Never have I ever stalked an ex on social media. Never. Never lie. Don't lie, bro. Don't lie. You have. Never. I বলছি never. কবে করিস নি তুই আমার সামনে করেছিস বললেই হবে I have. Too much personal details. Never have I ever tried guessing someone's password. Open Google. We are just searching for questions on Google. Right on Google. Never have I ever questions. Now you will ask whatever you see. Okay.
Never have I.
Condition of people. Midnight. Now you will ask. Okay.
Yes.
Whatever you find here, wherever, whatever, you can ask.
250 questions.
You know, now it is that time when silence conquers all. So, yeah, look at my face. God, horribly boring it was. But, you know, searching questions have to happen. So, yes. I hope you're not bored. Found the question.
Never have I ever lost a bet.
Loudly, loudly. The camera needs to hear.
Never have I ever lost a bet.
I have.
I have.
In what reason? What did you bet for?
IPL.
IPL. I don't want to bet only because of that. I am so scared.
Everything I bet. Never have I ever rode a motorcycle.
Duh. He has, obviously.
I have.
Again, you can see searching in process. Oof, what to do?
Never have I ever sang karaoke.
Karaoke. I have. Every Christmas.
I don't sing.
He doesn't sing. This question is not for you.
Never have I ever lived alone.
Yeah, I have. In boating. Boating. I have lived alone without family and friends. Or friends, obviously. Now, all these friends will murder me if they see
Never
this.
have I ever been on a boat.
Been on a boat? Guessing na kono din?
Yes.
I have, yes. Maybe, yes.
I have. We have gone to Puri.
Puri. And where did you go?
Mumbai. And Maithan Dam.
Deol.
Deul boat.
Deul.
No boat.
Deul, I've been in boat. During church picnic.
Never have I ever won the lottery. Yes, I have won.
Never in my kismat. You have?
I have.
Okay. When did you win, bro? I didn't
With
even...
Manik I had.
Okay.
Partnership. Never have I ever been to a destination wedding.
Duh, no.
I have.
Where? Oh,
My friends.
Rajasthan.
My friend's wedding.
Never. I last went to Kolkata only for someone's wedding. That's it. Kolkata? God knows.
Never have I ever crashed a wedding.
I have.
Broken a wedding.
I
I have. Friend's wedding I have broken.
We not wedding actually. There was during Durga Puja these pandals and all.
No, I have broken my.
The
friend's
Salarpuria
wedding.
flats. I went with
I've
Rahul.
broken many times. Friend.
No, the Salarpuria
But
flat.
after a long time, he got married. Finally.
After a long time, we got married.
Finally.
How weird.
We haven't broken that one.
Cool.
Never have I ever got on the wrong train or bus.
I don't even know. I don't remember. I was a baby.
Wrong train or bus.
No.
Train or bus, no.
As far as I know, never.
Never.
Again, trying to figure out. This question is funny. You can ask this one.
Never have I ever laughed so hard I peed my pants as an adult.
As I'm not even an adult till now, but
No.
yes, I have laughed so hard that I peed in my pants. Embarrassing. Never.
Never have I ever went 24 hours without showering. Yes. Yes.
I have. When we were
Everybody does.
traveling, yes.
Everybody
I've
does.
gone 2 days also, 3 days also when I was in boarding. Because it was so cold during winters. Who cares?
Never have I ever went on a road trip.
Duh.
We always do.
You always do. Just lift this up. I have.
Never have I ever ate an entire pizza by myself.
No.
I have.
When, bro? When?
I have.
When?
In my room.
In your
Alone.
room. Oh! No, alone. Also. No, alone also. I like sharing and caring.
Never have I ever got a tattoo.
Never.
But
Because-
very soon I will.
What tattoo? What tattoo? What tattoo?
Let's see.
Let's-
Cross.
Cross where? Here. Here.
No.
Here.
Yes.
Okay, here. Cross. Back to figuring out again. My god.
Never have I ever got stopped by airport security. Security.
I have in Dubai. Oh.
I haven't.
I have in Dubai. They cleared, my mother got cleared. I was still standing. They thought I'm a terrorist. They made me open my shoes, my belt, my clothes, virtually everything. I said, sir, I am a baby. How can I be a terrorist? They said, no, we're just joking. Don't worry. Actually, my passport had a smudge on the number. So that's why.
Never have I ever ran a marathon.
No.
Yes.
I don't even want to. I don't want to die.
In school life,
Yes.
I have.
Very fit person. Not me. Back to square one. Da 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 da. What to do? Now say. Questions are difficulty. Mm-hmm.
Never ever. No. Not good.
No, not good. Never have I ever lied. Okay. Never have I ever lied about my age. I have.
I have never.
I have.
I have never. What's there to hide?
Not hide, lied. I've lied. I look big, so people think that They let me enter. There was a film, Anushka Sharma's film called Pari.
Never
and
have I
They
ever.
let me enter.
Never have I ever role played.
I have.
I have in Christmas.
In
programs.
Christmas and in Christmas programs. When I used to live in the boarding, we used to play house. Because we used to never be in the house. So we used to play house. Someone used to be the mother, someone brother, someone father.
Hi. Never have I ever thrown a drink at someone. No.
Thrown a drink. In
No.
Pratt, I must have. At Shivanshi's face only, I have. I don't know Shivanshi. Remember, canteen. I threw the thumbs up on her face because I was very angry on her.
Khatam.
Bas.
Bas.
Okay. Never have I ever spent 2,000 or more rupees on just clothes in one day.
Yes, I have. Currently.
2,000 rupees in
Yes.
one day?
Yes.
No, never. 2,000 rupees. Oh, yeah. He bought a leather jacket. Never have I ever. Never have I ever recharged.
This is the little jacket.
This is the leather jacket. The show. Ooh! It looks like Tom Cruise. Ooh! Ooh!
Yeah.
It smells stinking. Okay. Never have I ever finished more than 3 GB in a day.
No, I haven't.
Never. Okay, I want to just ask you a question.
Yeah.
Give me
Yeah.
one advice you would like to give people junior to you. Just last final question. Just give this advice. Whatever you feel.
Just live your life to the fullest.
Just live your life to the fullest. Good one. good one, good one. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Whoa! Just say it again, say it, just say it.
Like, share and subscribe.
To
Team Sleepyhead.
First person to say that. Okay, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'm coming up with exciting videos. Goom Pachai. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Until we meet, toodles. Bye.
Bye.